Hey guys, what's up? So I've not made a video in a little while, but people make those videos like where they want to quit YouTube or something like that. They say April Fools. Honestly, that's kind of dumb. Who cares though? And if you hear background noise, my fan is running, so there you go. But I have just been doing some videos. Oh, and by the way, guys, if any of you guys want to become a firefighter, let me know. Because all right, I'm gonna tell you a story on me becoming a firefighter. Well, want to become a firefighter. So, in 2011, I turned 8. I always wanted to become a firefighter because being a firefighter. Oh, and there's ink. I got pen in my hand. How if I can get that off? Oh no, I don't care. I've always wanted to become a firefighter since I was 8 years old because firefighter is something that entertains me. I guess you could say I just have been addicted to firefighting. Yeah, now firefighting, it's dangerous, but it's a good job. Because I've been watching a lot of videos recently about me firefighting, which, and traditionally, that's something I always want to do and something I always will do. Because I will not stop until I become a firefighter. I will work my butt off until I become a firefighter. I will not stop. And I might lose some weight too. But trying to rescue people, maybe I'll lose some weight. Yeah. I'm joking, but for real though. I will not stop until I become a firefighter because honestly, I like saving people. And quite frankly, I want to become a hero. Yeah. And one more thing. There's one more thing I also have in my mind I've always wanted to do. It's spelled U and a K. Can you guess it? The UK. I want to go to the UK. Now, the only reason why I named my LPS channel T-Bird LPS UK, that's because I just thought it was funny. I just thought it was kind of funny, and I don't have an accent. I just thought it was so funny. But enough of that. The reason why I like firefighting, it's not because it's dangerous. It's not because it's fun. But I want to help people who desperately need help. And being a firefighter is like the best job to go to. So if any of you guys are a firefighter, God bless you. And I truly appreciate you all being firefighters. Now, like I said, in videos, well, maybe a few videos back, maybe 2 weeks ago or something like that, 2 or 3 weeks ago, I wanted to become a firefighter, and I said I'm going to have stuff going on this summer. Well, I found out when I'm doing my training. I am doing my training over the summer. Now, you may find out, whoa, yes, I'm very well aware of this. Now, I am a little nervous, but mostly excited. But the only reason why I'm slightly nervous because, I don't know, this is going to be, you might know this about me, but I'm super shy. So, I'm going to be excited becoming a firefighter, and I guess you could say that I love firefighting. That's something I always do. And yes, I'm tired. Oh God. I look so. Wait. I look so weird with my glasses. I don't know why. Anyways, the point being is, firefighting is something I want to do, and I really like firefighting a lot. And watching YouTube videos. And I love firefighting, like I've said before. Now, one quick thing before I get this, before I end the video. You can see the shadow of me, like, holding the camera. Anyway, so, like I was saying, firefighting is something that I would do no matter what. I don't care on how long it takes me. It could take me a year. It could take me 2 years. It could take me 10 years. I don't care how long it takes me, just as long as I get to do what I have dreamed of doing, I'm doing. Like I said, I will not stop until I become a firefighter. Literally. This is no joke. This is literally no joke. I will save everybody. If any of you guys need somebody, just call me. Or just call 911. That's your best bet. Like, alright. Here's a tip that you guys should do. You need alright. Every month, like once a month, you should check your battery or test your alarm. Every single year you should change your own battery, but every month you should check it, make sure it's working, and then every 10 years you should replace it. Now, smoke alarms are something very serious. They help warn you when there's a fire, and don't try to put the fire out yourself. If you have a fire extinguisher nearby, yeah, you could use it, but you should just call 911, and it'll be just the best bet, and it would help them because they know what they're doing. You really don't. So your best bet is to call 911 and have the fire department come and help put the fire out. Because there's many times where I've seen videos where people trying to put out their own fire. Just call the fire department. That's your best bet. Literally, that is your best bet. And that's something I'm giving you advice. Now, and also, once you're outside a burning building, you stay outside. Don't go back in. So let's get this thing over again. Once you're outside, you stay outside. And the reason why is because stuff could collapse on you. The fire is extremely hot. That's why you don't go back in when a building is on fire. Don't go back in. Yeah, I mean, yes, I know there are people who do go back in to help their family. I can understand that, but seriously though, you should just let the fire department handle that, and they should hopefully get there in time. But see, firefighting is something serious. It's not funny. It's really not that funny. It's serious and it's dangerous. And if you see smoke, like where there's smoke, there's fire. Not all the time, but the majority of the time. So, the reason why I'm giving you these tips is because I'm just trying to help you guys. I'm just trying to help you fans. Because if you ever have a fire and you see a fire, you should just not worry about it. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm basically saying. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to hit the notification so hit the little bell so you're notified every single time I make a new video. And make sure to go check out my gaming channel, Five Gaming. Make sure to go check out my LPS channel, TBirdLPS UK. And most of all, don't forget to like and subscribe. The Tristan Harbinger like this is awesome. Bye. Hope you guys understand about this. And one other thing. Be careful out there, guys. Bye.